Hello, the knit in this video is from the Cheviot collection. You have access to my author's knittings on a common playlist. After the video, I'll leave you a link. This knitting pattern is much more open work than the basic one. Along with the knitting technique, their textures are comparable. This knitting pattern produces a double-sided fabric, with a lovely texture, featuring the specific figure for the entire series of 2 interlocking loops resembling a lotus flower. The wrong side also has a distinctive look. It can be said that with one scheme we get 2 knits. The scheme is of 2 loops and 4 rows and is very close to this open work pattern that I presented to you in a previous video. Here is the link. You will get this design if you knit loosely and with a thicker than normal hook. Let's start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, we work with loops in pairs. The repeat pattern of this row is: slip the first loop with a yarn over, pull up a loop 1 row below the second loop and slip the main one. Again. Slip 1 with a yarn over, pull up a loop, and slip 1. Keep knitting in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 right side, the repeat pattern of this row is: knit a loop with a yarn over, stitch together through the front. Knit the paired stitch through the back. Again. Knit 2 loops together through the front. Knit 2 loops together through the back. Keep knitting in this manner until the row is complete. Row 3 wrong side, we work with loops in pairs. The repeat pattern of this row is: pull up a loop 1 row below the first loop and slip the main one. Slip the second loop with a yarn over. Pull up a loop, slip 1. Slip 1 with a yarn over. Keep knitting in this manner until the row is complete. Row 4 right side, the repeat pattern of this row is: knit the paired stitch through the back. Knit a loop with a yarn over, stitch together through the front. Knit 2 loops together through the back. Knit 2 loops together through the front. Keep knitting in this manner until the row is complete. After these 4 straightforward repeating rows, we have a lovely, tightly knit fabric with a soft feel and a perfectly vertical structure. It will give any knitted item a luxurious look. It works with scarves, sweaters, cardigans, summer blouses, and airy capes. Other knitted items from this series can be found at this link. I'm hoping you'll enjoy them. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.